Hi Watch fam, today I'll be doing a quick unboxing or rather a quick unpackaging of some straps that I received from WatchBandit. I actually won the straps, won a voucher from WatchBandit through an Instagram contest that they organized, and these are the straps that I chose. Just a quick wristwatch check. I'm wearing the Seiko SKX013 on a curved silicone strap by Strap Atelier. Still think it looks absolutely great. Please check them out. I did a review on it in an earlier video, and if you like that, please use my discount code for some discounts. Anyways, back to the unpackaging. Let me quickly get this open. Yep. Guess that's the quick invoice. Have the list of the straps there. Comes in a nice eco-friendly package paper. I like it that the packaging on the outside is also FSC certified, which is a good, basically, forest and timber product certification system that, well, I'm glad to be a part of. And it basically says that your packaging is sustainable. So, well, let's go to this. Oops. Okay. And here are the straps. As you can see, I actually got a total of 5 straps. Yep. I actually didn't realize that I kind of chose quite similar colors, but well, different sizes. So let me see quickly. This is the, I would say, the Ulox Cocoa Print strap in 20mm. Quite actually excited to try all of these straps. I don't think I have a pure black 20mm cocoa strap, that's why I chose them. And this is one of the straps that I'm really looking forward to when I ordered, which is the Respawn limited edition premium silk cloth in black. This is my first ever silk cloth strap. Just a quick look at it. Okay. Ooh, it's quite, how do you say? Not that flexible, but then again, almost all reviews on all silk cloth strap has basically said the same thing. They need a little bit of breaking into, but definitely looking forward to what the hype is about on silk cloth straps. Then the next strap, let me just put that aside. I would be guessing that this is the Barrington Cocoa Print Strap Blue in 20mm, which I actually got for my Fuyugashiki. Always wanted a cocoa print strap for my Fuyugashiki, and here it is. The next one would be, let me see, the Barrington Chrono Master Black in 18mm. So this is for my 18mm watches. So my vintage Omega Seamaster as well as my Seiko SNKL23. I think it will look good on them. And the last one would be the textured calfskin watch strap by WatchBandit themselves. Made in Italy. Definitely looks quite nice. Let me quickly see how it is. There we go. Okay, definitely feels supple right out of the packaging. I think this is one of those straps that you don't need any breaking into. Seeing how soft it really is, so definitely looking forward to this as well. So that's all, just a very quick unpackaging of straps that I received. Hopefully I'll be able to make a review of it soon. Again, really looking forward to testing out the silk cloth strap. And the others look pretty good as well. Just didn't really expect, or maybe I didn't read the description properly when I ordered the blue cocoa strap. It's actually relatively thick. But then again, nothing wrong with it. I do quite like it. Okay. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you guys in my next video.